15-minute manifestation review. In this video, we will talk about 15-minute manifestation. It is created by Eddie Sergey, that can bring positive changes in life since many people are unsure about its credibility and worth, so I am here to cover it in broad details. The 15 Minutes Manifestation Program is an especially designed audio track that gives you real control over your subconscious, giving you the power to force attention to the most important things in life. There are only 3 meditation audio tracks that can heal your heart and give you proper manifestation. It works with theta waves and the sound of nature penetrating into the sublime thoughts of your mind. And it is programmed in such a way that you can progress truly, leaving behind the chaotic life with no real objectives. The stuff that is preventing you from achieving something great is in your subconscious. If you can manifest it to a positive spiral, you shall get the motivation and healing power for fulfilling the abundance of dreams and hobbies you have. Your brain is the computer that needs to be modified. 15 Minutes Manifestation tracks are simply the software that install a new program, a new way of life for you. Perhaps these words sound weird that only a few minutes of audio tracks can control your mind. To divulge the truth, let's dive into the program and its working methodology. But let's know about Eddie first. The 15-minute manifestation program unlocks your brain's inner potential by overcoming your limiting beliefs, which act as a roadblock to achieving your goals. The audio track's profoundly moving tone alters your thought process and immediately affects cognitive power. You may believe that something is merely a shadow and illusory, that it is out of your reach. However, the track's frequencies will have a favorable effect on removing your subconscious boundaries. Your brain, like a computer, is infected with several viruses that prevent you from reaching your full potential. You will get your best performance in every sector if you can shift your mental process with meditation tracks. This digital manifestation will alter your neural pattern, giving you the ability to influence your emotions, behavior, and cognitive abilities. What's included in 15 Minutes Manifestation Program? The program has 3 audio tracks along with a free ebook for manifestation. These audios will remove the barriers of your reality. These barriers are your story to yourself and to others, your limiting beliefs, biased judgment. Track 01, Your Natural State. This is the first track among the 3. These brain manifestation tracks will connect with your subconscious and remove the limiting beliefs, a crucial editor or barrier in your way. Track 02, Your New Story. After you have finished the previous track and your mind is clear enough to think and judge, you need to listen to the second track. This one is specially designed to fill the jar of your subconscious with positiveness, with good ideas. Track 3, Moving to Abundance. This one is the final one among the 15 Minutes Manifestation theta waves, and you can consider it to be the crucial one. This will reprogram your thoughts in a convenient manner. It works like the law of attraction. Pros of 15 Minutes Manifestation: money-back guarantee. Only a few products offer a money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with their service. Interestingly, you can ask for the money back. It's time-saving, as we already told and covered up. The tracks are only 15 minutes. So you don't need to spend a huge amount of effort. You can listen to the tracks at any convenient time possible. That's handy. As we know, this one is a digital product, which means you don't have to wait for a week to get it delivered. The program helps to design a new pattern for your neurology. Your subconscious and conscious shall undergo some positive changes if you truly commit yourself to the tracks. Cons of 15 Minutes Manifestation: commitment requires you have to commit yourself for incessant 21 days with the real intention to change your thoughts. Success lies in commitment, remember that. Final verdict: I hope this video will help you to decide whether to try it or not. What I sense is that a minor investment can give you something valuable in return, something that is worthier than money and wealth, a good life, a decent mind. Let's try 15-minute manifestation now. Link is placed in the description below. Thanks for watching.